This is Oliver. He is definitely the dumbest this week, but he traded brains for beauty. He's beautiful,
and he's
isn't
cute.
he? He's very cute. He's also super lovable.
And
so maybe he traded brains for love too. So I'm going to put him down. Let's see if Oliver can count. There's 1 and 2. Oh, Oliver went right for the 2. Good. Sit. Wait.
I need 1.
Oliver. Okay, I'm going to put 1 and 2. Which one do you? Oh, he goes for the 2. Just go pet him. This time I'm going to put 2 and 3. Okay, Oliver. Do you want 2 or 3? Go ahead. Go ahead, Oliver. Oh. Can you go get more treats? Oliver, do you want treats? Come here. Come. Oliver, do you want treats? 1. You want 2 or 3? Oh, 3. Good boy. Do you want treats? Oh, you can count to 4.
Code 10.
No. There's 3, 4, and 5. Okay, Oliver, come. Just to let go. Oliver, come. Oh, he goes for 5. Go in. Go get your treats. And he goes for 6. Good boy. Okay, Oliver, free.
No.
Go ahead, Oliver, get your treats.
No.
What do you want? Oliver. Hi. Yes, you're beautiful. Get your treats. Go ahead. Get your treats. That time he goes for 7. Come on, Oliver. There's 7 and 8. Which one do you want? 7. I would say this is really inconclusive. I don't know if Oliver can count or not. He's just going for treats. Possibly whatever's closest. Here's 1 treat. Here's lots of treats. What does Oliver want? Maybe he doesn't even want treats right now. Who knows? I think he wants to go back to the other dogs. And he's not even trying to get the treats.